Now today we'll do algebraic identities. So firstly we'll revise the previous identities you have done in class 8. These four identities. First is x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Second identity, x minus y square is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. Third identity, x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. And the fourth identity, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So we are going to do these four identities same as we have done earlier also. If you remember, the same thing we are going to do here. Same thing we are to do here. So uh, let's see the examples. For example number 16, find the following products using appropriate identities. आपको identities को use करके product find out करना है. See what is given here, x plus 3 into x plus 3. So what can we do here? If you remember, then tell me which identity we'll use here, x plus 3 into x plus 3. We can write it as x plus 3 whole square. So we will use identity here. So we'll use here identity a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? Then if we can multiply, we have to find out the product here. So you can see, अगर आपको identity से use करना है, so directly you can use the identity. Otherwise you have to multiply x to x plus 3 plus 3 to x plus 3 using distributive property. But here we have identity also, that is a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So at the place of a we'll put x, b के place पे 3. So x square plus 3 square plus 2 into x into 3 is equal to x square as it is, 3 square 9 plus constants will be multiplied here also 6x. So this is our answer. If we direct multiply x plus 3 by x plus 3, then also we'll get this answer. If we used identity and find the answer, then also we'll get the same answer, right? So here the next one is x minus 3, x plus 5 here. So which identity we will use here? X minus 3, x plus 5. So we have four identities here. If we have same numbers multiplied to same, then we take whole square. If there is minus, then we take x minus y whole square. If there is one positive, one negative, we take x square minus y square. But if there is one of the digit is same here, next of the digit is different here, so we use fourth identity here. So according to the fourth identity, it will be x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, right? And here we have given the statement x minus 3, it's x minus 3x plus 5, x minus 3, x plus 5. So here x square plus, at the place of a we'll put minus 3 plus, at the place of b we'll put 5 into x plus minus 3 into 5. Solve it now. X square plus 2x minus 15. Yes, x square plus 2x minus 15 is the answer here. Next, on the basis of it, let's start the exercise. First question is also same that we have done examples here. It's use suitable identities to find the following products: x plus 4 into x plus 10. So here we'll use which identity? Which identity we are going to use here? Fourth identity, yes. In second part, also second identity, no. 8 and 10 different here. So we'll use here fourth identity. In third also, fourth. Okay, so let's try one part, third part. Let's try third part here. 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. So here we use the same identity, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. At the place of x, we'll put here 3x plus at the place of a, we'll put here 4, 3x. At the place of b, we'll put here minus 5. Minus 5 is equal to 3x square, we'll put the bracket here, plus 4 minus 5 into x plus 4 into minus 5 is equal to 3x square means 9x square minus 1x. Sorry, here we will write down 3x. At the place of x, we'll mention here 3x. So minus 1 into 3 minus 3x minus 20. This is the answer here. Let's try next part now. It's y square plus 3 upon 2 y square minus 3 upon 2, right? So one is positive, one negative, and the values are same here. So yes, we'll use here third identity, which is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. At the place of a, we'll put here y square plus at the place of b, we'll put here 3 upon 2. Then y square minus 3 upon 2 is equal to y square square minus 3 upon 2 square is equal to y raised to power 4 minus 9 upon 4. So this will be our answer here. Yes, y raised to power 4 minus 9 upon 4. So now you can complete question 1. So next, if we are to solve, let's take an example. If you are to evaluate 105 into 106 without multiplying directly, if that means you have to use identity here. Okay, so 105 into 106, we can write it as 100 plus 5 into 100 plus 6. Okay, so it is like x plus a into x plus b, x plus a into x plus b, right? What we will do here, we'll take it as nearest the tens, hundreds karke, so that it can be easy. and we will use the identity then, right? Where the first of the digit should be same. Maybe the second also, it can be like this also, 105 into 95. So we can write down here 100 minus 5 into 100, 100 plus 5 into 100 minus 5, and we can use third identity there. So now here we will use fourth identity, the same x plus a into x plus b, which is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So here we will put the value at the place of x, we will put 100 plus at the place of a we will put 5 plus 6 into 100 plus 5 into 6. Then 100 square 10,000 plus 11 into 100 1100 plus 5 into 6 30. Then what will be our answer here, right? 11,130. Good. Then let's take one more example to do these kind of question. If you have two, sorry, 103 into 103, then what we will you do here? Or you can take 95 into 95. Then we can write down here 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 5. Then we can write it as 100 minus 5 whole square. So which identity we will use here? A minus b whole square, right? Then what it will be? 100 square a square plus b square minus 2ab. Then it will be 10,000 plus 25 minus 1,000. Then it will be 9,000 plus 25, 9,025. Yes, you can do 90 plus 5. You can write down 195 as 90 plus 5 also. That's your choice. But if we takes in tens, hundreds, nearest 100 अगर है तो अगर हम 100 की 100 ही लेते हैं, then it will be easy to solve. Like here, second question, first part, 103 into 107. You can write down here 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7, right? So 95 into 96, here you can write down 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4. And you will use fourth identity. Same here, 100 plus 4 into 100 minus 5. 4. Here you will use third identity, 100 square minus 4 square. So complete these two questions. Let's move to the third question now. Third question is factorize the following using appropriate identities. First one is given 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. So here you are to factorize now. Factorize like you are to just form it in the multiply. आपको इसको multiply में लेकर आना है. Yes, and that means you will form your identity and then you can write on in factorization form. As you have identity, suppose a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. If you are to expand it or you are to find out the product, तो आप left to right जाते हो, और अगर आपको factorize करना है तो आप right to left आते हो, right? So if we have given this kind of the equation, if we have given in the question this kind of the expression a plus b whole square, then we expand it like this, which is given in right hand side. और अगर हमें इस टाइप से given है a square plus b square plus 2ab, then we can write down it as a plus b whole square. So we can write down in factorization form then. How to do it? 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. First of all, we can check here whether we can form here which identity. We can write down 9x square as 3x square, right? We can write down y square as y square. Now it's like a square plus b square. In between, to make the identity, it should be 2ab. You can check, yes, it's same, 6xy. So here we have formed the identity now, right? So we can write it as a plus b whole square because it's forming identity. So it will be 3x plus y whole square. And we can write down it as 3x plus y into 3x plus y, right? Because we are to write down in factorization form. So we'll write down it like this, 3x plus y into 3x plus y. Similarly, let's see second part. 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Here also we can identity. Which identity we will make here? See, 2y square, right? Plus 1 square. In between it's minus. So we can write down here minus here. And we can make the identity like a square plus b square. And it should be here minus 2 a b, and it's same here minus 4i. Yes, so we can say here it's forming identity, and we can write here 2y minus 1 whole square. We can write down it as 2y minus 1 into 2y minus 1. Good, you all are giving right answer, very good. Then next, x square minus y square upon 100. What we can do here, x square minus y square is there but 100. We can write down 100 as 10 square. So we can write down it as y upon 10 whole square. Right? Now we'll use here third identity. What the third identity says? A plus b into a minus b. It's so simple. Right?